Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my easy chicken Alfredo recipe. This recipe is rich, cheesy and savory with tender chicken breast for protein. You will need tagliatelle pasta. I'm using this, but you can use any pasta of your choice. You'll need some chicken breast pieces, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 chopped onion and 3 minced garlic, olive oil, some stock cubes, parsley, basil, and finally salt to taste. So in a boiling water, I'll add in some salt and a dash of olive oil, and then I'll toss in my tagliatelle pasta. I'll then cover and allow it to cook through. So once the pasta is this texture, you would know it's ready and it's been cooked, and then I'm going to drain off the water and keep the pasta aside. So in a pan, I'm going to put in some olive oil, and once the oil is heated up, I will then toss in my chicken breast pieces. I will then add 1 stock cube, and then I'll give that a stir in medium heat. And you want to do this to allow the chicken to cook through properly. And then I'll cover for about 5 to 6 minutes. So after about 6 minutes, I'm going to check my chicken and give that a stir again. And then once it's ready, I'm going to then take them out of the oil, and then I'll set aside. So in the same oil, I'm gonna put in my onions and minced garlic. I will then stir because I want that garlic to be infused into the oil. So I'll stir for a few minutes. Then I'll add in my parsley and my basil. Then I will then add my heavy cream into the pan. So I'll give this a stir properly. So you want to stir. And don't forget, this is all in under medium heat. And then I'll cover that and let that boil for a bit. Then I'm gonna add in some stock cubes and then stir again. After a couple of minutes, I'll add in some salt for taste, and I'll give that a stir again. So then after 2 minutes, I add in my cooked chicken and stir. And at this point, you can adjust the taste to how you want. And then I'm gonna toss in my pasta into the pan, and then I'm gonna give that a stir. You want to stir this properly until your pasta is fully coated with that rich cream. This is optional, but I added some chili flakes for a bit of spice. So if you don't really like spice, you can skip this step, but it's optional. So you keep stirring. So after a minute or two, your pasta is ready. And then you add some cheese in the pasta, extra flavor. This is so yummy. This was so delicious, and I can't wait for you to try it. If you try this recipe, do let me know in the comment section of what you thought of it. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.